Welcome to this video presentation here at Wimbledon Carriage Company, and here we have the Jaguar F-Type on a 20 plate. So I'm going to start off firstly by showing you around the outside of the car, and then we'll hop in and run through a few of the controls on the inside of it from there. Okay, now that we've made our way round to the back of the car, you can see it's in fantastic condition the whole way round. I'm going to show you inside the boot space first of all, and then we'll hop in the car and run through those controls. As we approach the back of the car firstly, you can see we have that single exiting tailpipe, we have reversing sensors, plenty of boot space as well, especially given the nature of the vehicle. Just briefly before we climb in, I think it's well worth seeing the interior from this exterior point of view. We'll hop in and run through some controls now. Okay, now that we're inside the car, we're going to start with the dials. We have the rev counter, the digital readout for the speedometer, and it will show you what gear we're in the centre just there. Of course, with it being an automatic, we are currently in park. We have the fuel gauge, the coolant temperature gauge, and total miles for the car. They are 30,059. You can change the information displayed where you can see that sat-nav information, and there's plenty of different things you can have there, which we'll come to in just a moment. Out on the steering wheel, we have the stereo controls just here. Phone controls as well. We have on the right hand side our cruise control, speed limiter, heated steering wheel, the minus and plus paddle so you can change up and down a gear manually with this automatic gearbox, and then onto the central screen next. So up on here you can access your satellite navigation. At any time you want to get back to the home screen, it's that button just there. We have our media input, so plenty of ways you can listen to music in this car. We have AM, FM and DAB radio, Bluetooth audio, in fact you can see the radio just there, Bluetooth audio so you can stream your music wirelessly once you've paired your phone up to the car, which is done under the phone heading. You can also swipe through and see that we've got Apple CarPlay and Android Auto both available as well. So plenty of ways to listen to your music in this car. Working our way down from that, we have our dual zone climate control. So you can adjust the passenger and driver temperature. You can increase and decrease the fan speed from here. Air conditioning is on at the minute, so you can turn that off, back on again. You can hit auto. The car will now take full control for you to maintain the temperatures that you've asked for, which you can override manually at any point in time. We've got a heated front and heated rear screen, a 12-volt charging socket, the button to start and stop the engine in the car, the gear lever for the fully automatic gearbox, main volume for your stereo. You can change the driving setup of the car from here depending on weather conditions, or if you want to, you can put it into a track focused mode there as well. With our electronic handbrake, we can make the exhaust system louder with the push of one button. We've also got traction control, stop and start, and you can open the boot spoiler from here. And then lastly, two cup holders. Very last thing I wanted to mention is the panoramic roof. We have a manual sunblind you can open up. The glass section itself is fixed in place, but as you can see, it lets in a huge amount of extra light to this cabin area with that open. All that leaves me to say is thank you for taking the time to watch this video. If you'd like to come and see the car for yourself and have a test drive, or you'd like a live bespoke video tour, please feel free to give us a call here at Wimbledon Carriage Company. We'd love to hear from you soon.